everywhere. Head first.
Dave with his walleye. Good job.
Muskie, and we caught some crick chubs yesterday. I decided to try out the fire dye on them, and they turned out really well. Just caught a 35-inch muskie on them. They were a little bit difficult to dye because they're a lot bigger, and the amount of water that you have to put them in, they were a little bit difficult to dye.
Can you turn my thing on?
Oh yeah.
But he did it, guys.
They turned out pretty well, and they work. We just caught a 35-inch muskie with it, so.
You look like you're shaking, man.
A little bit. That was a nice fish.
All right, good deal. All right. Yeah. Oh, it's dirty. Keep him up away from the trolling motor. Over here. Green dye!
Yeah! Woo! Awesome.
Oh, a cow.
And that was the green one, I think. Good.
It was. You want to talk about it real quick?
What do you mean?
What did you do at home last night?
Oh, I dyed crick chubs with the chartreuse green fire dye.
And how'd it work out, bud?
I guess it worked out. We got a pretty nice muskie.
Yeah? Yeah, it's pretty spunky. Hey, you want to do me a favor and lift that chair up out of the bar? There's a bar underneath. That's fine. Yeah, buddy. Dude, I was just looking at you. I'm like, what is he doing?
I was eating a sandwich. I was eating a fucking sandwich. Okay. I'm not sure.
All right, let line out. Dude, you still got your chub. Oh my God, this thing's spunky. That was an easy release. It's still living.
Cool.
You got him? Yep. You sure?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna do it. All right. How do you feel, bud?
Feel good.
Metallo with
First
his
muskie on the boat.
Yep. Put him on the bump board. Easy with him.
Oh, Jesus.
Put him. That's why I get him under the gill. 35.
35.
All right, bud. Good job. Let's do an underwater release. I'll come to you. Let me get the bump board. You're fine. Do you want to go? Yep, let him go.
Awesome. instructions on how to use the fire dye and dye minnows and crick chubs, look at the link in the description.